Hello, this is Nozomi from RT1 Home. I hope you all are doing great. We are a Los Angeles-based boutique offering premium home and garden supplies made in the US and Japan. Today, I'd like to introduce you to one of our very useful tools, the Sustee Aquameter from Japan. The Sustee Aquameter is for monitoring the moisture levels of your potted plants. They are available in 3 different sizes depending on your pot size. It can be used for any kind of plant. Today, I'm using it on the variegated rubber plant. We recommend using it on the potted plants with a dry soil. Make sure you stick the Sustee deep enough in the soil so the line is covered. Then water the plants. Blue color indicates it's wet, so the plant doesn't need more water. White color indicates the plant is dry and needs water. For example, on the small size, it takes 5 minutes for the color to change. The bigger the pot, the longer time it takes to change color. There are also refills available. They come in a pack of 2. We recommend to refill every 6 to 9 months. Check out the link below in the description to buy the Sustee Aquameter. Also make sure to check us out on the social media. All the links are in the description as well. If you have any questions or requests for upcoming in-use tutorials, please post them in the comment section below. Thank you for listening and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see all our upcoming in-use videos and more. Thank you! ありがとうございます。